What are the secret habits that can lead you to become a millionaire?
That's the question we're answering today by diving deep into insights from top financial experts.
You'll learn proven millionaire habits that could transform your financial journey.
And with our AI-driven summaries, we've distilled hours of analysis into just minutes.
Imagine spotting the next market opportunity before it's mainstream.
In just a moment, we'll hear from our first expert on the millionaire habits that matter.
And stay tuned, we've got insights on the top altcoins you shouldn't miss.
Just a reminder, this content is for educational purposes and not investment advice.
Bitcoin just smashed through the $100,000 mark. That's not just a milestone, it sets the tone for an entirely new era in crypto. Imagine transforming a $50,000 investment into over 1.6 million yen. This really happens during bull runs. With Bitcoin's explosive rise, now's the time to pivot to altcoins. This is where we can see prices skyrocketing. It's like a wave. Once Bitcoin rises, altcoins start to surf that momentum. The market isn't playing nice, but savvy traders are learning to work with these dynamics. For instance, know that when the price dips, strong hands often buy more Bitcoin. Right now, narratives like AI and Memecoins are gaining traction. Investors should act fast. It's like a fast-moving train. If you catch it now, you can see significant growth. To maximize gains, you need a solid risk management strategy. Aim for a 3-to-1 ratio. As an example, for every dollar risked, aim for 3 in return. It's that simple. With regulations becoming clearer, institutional money is just around the corner, setting us up for a gold rush. We're at the precipice of mainstream adoption. Get ready. It's about riding this wave, investing wisely, and ensuring your risks are well managed. Seize the moment. In the upcoming video, we'll explore Memecoins and identify the potential millionaires among them. Wow, Bitcoin is reaching new heights again. Just last night, it jumped past 105,000, and George is here to break down what this means.
Absolutely. We're not just seeing a spike, we're witnessing a potential shift in the market sentiment.
Is this going to be sustainable, or is it just a temporary high?
Great question. Let's dive into the causes behind this bullish wave.
What we're observing is not just random price movements, but a strong foundation built by institutional interests.
Wait, so you're saying big companies are actually investing in Bitcoin now?
Exactly. It's a bit like trying to get into a fancy restaurant. They're making reservations, and we should take note of these trends.
MicroStrategy recently joined the Nasdaq 100, which means their Bitcoin strategy could attract billions.
So you're telling me that just one company can influence the Bitcoin market that much?
Absolutely. It's like a small pebble causing ripples in a pond. Their moves create waves across the market. Bitcoin has shown resilience, but with the upcoming Fed meeting, market behavior might shift.
Right? And this upcoming announcement could either propel us to new heights or bring on corrections.
So basically, we're surfing on a wave where we could either ride high or wipe out.
I had a dinner with my mom, who got into Bitcoin back in 2017, and just recently found out she invested $2,000, and now it's worth over $100,000.
That's incredible. She forgot it even existed?
It's a beautiful reminder. Sometimes all it takes is to hold and let time work its magic. If Bitcoin continues this upward trend, we could easily see 110,000 by the end of the week.
So what should viewers consider to capitalize on this?
Diversity in investment and constant market monitoring is key. Staying informed is like having a life jacket when surfing.
Remember, the cryptocurrency market is unpredictable, but knowledge is power.
And if you can ride the waves, you might just find yourself on the crest of success.
I'm ready to dive in. Let's see what tomorrow brings.
Coming next, we'll explore the altcoin landscape and what it holds for strategic investors.
You certainly don't want to miss this deep dive into the next potential movers in the crypto world.
I'm excited for what's next.
In the fast-paced world of crypto, Bitcoin is rising, but what about altcoins? Let's dive into the top picks and a cautionary sell in this challenging market.
Absolutely, Bitcoin's dominance is affecting altcoins significantly. It feels like a game of musical chairs.
I can't keep up. Are we really saying I need to rethink my altcoin strategies again?
Yes. Let's break down how Bitcoin's rise impacts altcoins and reveal why adjusting our portfolios is essential right now.
Bitcoin's latest surge is sucking the life out of altcoins. It's a clear divergence in trends.
Is that a fatal blow for altcoins, or just a temporary setback?
It could either be an opportunity to be smarter with investments or a warning sign. Let's explore which coins are worth holding.
When Bitcoin hit $16,400, it was a sharp wake-up call for altcoins, a stark reality check.
No way. So as Bitcoin grows, the potential for altcoins diminishes?
Exactly. It's like one star steals the spotlight, but it can also create new opportunities for those willing to adapt.
I'm targeting 4 specific altcoins now. Each has a unique story and timing that could pay off.
What kind of metrics do you look for when deciding which to invest in?
Look for coins showing double bottoms in their charts. It's usually a signal of coming recovery.
Recent headlines have spurred a lot of activity. They can make or break investment decisions overnight.
Isn't it wild how one tweet can send prices soaring or crashing?
Totally. It showcases how the crypto market operates somewhat like a soap opera. Lots of drama.
As we look ahead, Bitcoin's resurgence might mean altcoins will struggle to keep up, signaling a potential for both peril and possibility.
So basically, it's crucial to stay alert and be willing to make quick decisions in an ever-changing environment. Keep an eye out for the next wave of altcoins. They could truly surprise us and redefine market dynamics.
Exactly. It's like spotting the next big tech startup before it skyrockets. Timing is everything.
So essentially, navigating this market is like surfing. Gotta ride the waves, but avoid wiping out.
And keeping breathless excitement while doing it can empower you to thrive.
Always remember, in pursuits of opportunity, resilience and openness to change will be your best allies. Bitcoin just set another all-time high. Can you believe it?
It feels like we're living in a historical moment. Each week brings new heights.
Exactly. With the year closing, the momentum just keeps building.
Every prediction seems to be that Bitcoin will be above 200K next year. Is it really feasible?
With the strategic reserves and institutional buying, it might just be a conservative estimate.
Exactly. The appetite for Bitcoin is only getting stronger.
Just a few months ago, hitting 100K seemed like a dream, and now it feels routine.
This isn't just a surge. It's a revolution in investor sentiment.
It's all about adapting to the volatility, just like learning to ride a wild bull. What's realistic for Bitcoin in the next few years?
Given the trends, hitting 200K wouldn't surprise me.
It could even be conservative. The market is shifting fast.
Innovation isn't just coming, it's already here.
Think of the potential. It's like surfing a perfect wave.
Aiming to become savvy investors, we need to embrace these trends.
Bitcoin has just hit a jaw-dropping all-time high of $106,500. What an incredible moment for crypto enthusiasts. But what's behind this rally?
The surge isn't random. It reflects major institutional interest. Wall Street invested over $1 billion just last week.
That's staggering. With that kind of backing, we could be looking at new paradigms in investing.
Institutions can't resist. It's like entering a game where they can't lose.
Wait, so they're inadvertently driving up the price for everyone, including retail investors?
Exactly. It's a feedback loop that's fueling this Bitcoin beast.
Argentina's move could open floodgates for other nations to follow suit.
If Bitcoin becomes legal tender in larger countries, it'd be a game changer.
We're looking at a potential tipping point for global cryptocurrency adoption.
Staying informed and adaptable is now more crucial than ever.
It's like surfing. You have to read the waves and catch the right one.
And let's hope we don't wipe out on the way.
What a remarkable depth of insights from our experts today.
It really was. Lark's take on Bitcoin's rise was fiery, and you can't ignore the implications of Wall Street's involvement.
Right? And then we had Guy and Nick warning us about AI and quantum computing shaking things up.
Exactly, it's a double-edged sword. New tech can be both a boon and a threat in the crypto world.
And how about Crypto Man Rand discussing the shifting strategies for altcoins? Very timely.
For sure, it emphasizes how agile investors need to be right now.
That juxtaposition on Bitcoin's potential versus altcoins really sparked some spirited debate.
Yes, and it showcases just how diverse thinking can be on these issues.
If you found today's video enlightening, why not give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button?
Your engagement helps us curate even more stellar financial content, so don't miss out.
Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out our other episodes for more financial strategies.
We'll see you next time. Stay informed and keep investing smart.